Welcome back to Mindful Roots Healing, your sanctuary for Reiki music and healing. Today, we'll immerse you in the soothing power of Reiki and a special guided energy session designed to restore your balance, reduce stress, and elevate your vibration. Whether you're meditating, preparing for sleep, or just need to unwind, our sessions blend Reiki-infused sound frequencies and gentle guidance to help realign your mind, body, and spirit. Here's a thought for you. What if the very energy that can heal you has been trying to reach you all along, but you've just been too busy to listen? Our story begins with a woman named Elise, who carried an invisible weight. Every morning, she felt drained before her day even began. Doctors said nothing was wrong, but deep inside, she knew her spirit was tired. One evening, she stumbled upon a small crystal shop, drawn in by its warmth and stillness. Inside, an elderly woman greeted her with eyes that seemed to see right through her pain. The woman handed Elise a small candle and whispered, "Light this when you are ready to hear your energy speak." That night, Elise sat alone, the flickering flame reflecting her doubts. She took a slow breath, then another. The air felt thick at first, heavy with years of fear and self-blame. Then she felt something, a subtle warmth flowing through her palms, moving up her arms and spreading through her chest. An unseen light began to swirl around her, gentle yet powerful. She closed her eyes and saw flashes of memories, times she had silenced her own joy, moments she had held back her tears. With each breath, the energy began to lift the weight she didn't even realize she was carrying. But suddenly, she heard a voice that wasn't her own. It whispered, "You are healing me too." Startled, Elise opened her eyes. The candle flame had grown brighter, almost alive, pulsing softly like a heartbeat. She realized the energy she was releasing wasn't just hers. It belonged to someone else, someone close. Her late grandmother, the very same woman who once told her, "When you heal yourself, you heal the generations that came before you." Tears streamed down Elise's face. She finally understood the truth. The light was never outside of her. It had been waiting all along for her to remember who she was. The next morning, Elise woke up feeling lighter, her body humming with a sense of peace. For the first time in years, she smiled without even trying. So now take this moment for yourself. Breathe deeply. Feel the warmth in your hands. That same light is here for you, waiting patiently to guide you home to your own peace. If this story resonated with you, comment below what kind of energy you are ready to release. Be sure to subscribe for more Reiki stories and healing sessions to keep your light flowing and your soul balanced. Thank you for being here.